Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm your boy Taylor DJ. So today Sibuyile with another album review. So today sitharishe uyang achieve intwana yase I think yase Queenstown but mawuthi ujonga ibhayo yakhe bathi wazalelwa eMthatha. So today sitharishe Imvelaphi EP. So uyang I think 2 weeks ago ukhiphe i-EP ibizwa ngemvelaphi. So ayinazo ingoma eningi. That's why we-EP. So inengoma eziwu-6 but ngilalelile and I think I-deserve attention to speaker nawe. So yeah, ngizo-highlight nje lezi ngoma but before ngiqale nje ufuna uqala nje like i-art cover yakhona like engathi unxibe something like engathi ivela ngazi sikhiphani bafethu sikhiphani ngomjida bafethu so ngiconcern ngaleya cover le hayi angiyiboni kahle but-ke i-EP ngizwile iney'ngoma ezimnandi lezi nje ingoma yokuqala enoZukho uZukho intwana yaseGqeberha naye sike sayenza i-review yakhe. So I think that song iyona nje abantu abaningi mabeqala ukulalela i-EP bafike bestakhe kuyona because inama-numbers amaningi even naku-YouTube. So yeah, ngiqala ukuyilaya le EP nami iyona ngoma evele outstanding mina kwayiyona ingoma eyi-favorite song yami because i-melody yayo like nje umjida lokhu uZukho bafethu I think ithalente lakhe layidinga attention. So shout out to uYoung ukuthi eMthatha emfake ku-trap hip hop because la e-South Africa sinenkinga yama-rappers like mawukhona umuntu ocula kahle as long mangayona i-hip hop abamfeathurishi kuy'ngoma ey'ningi ze-hip hop. So shout out to uYoung but right now because le EP sengilalele for 2 weeks isishintshile ingoma yami okuyiyona engizwa kakhulu. Ingoma okuyiyona kulezi nsuku engizwa kakhulu ino-Kid Kapa emehlweni like i-love song nje like uma ngibona ngibheka emehlweni I think le ngoma i-remake because izwakala ijwayelekile. I think there was a song like this engangayizwa before that's why ikhethi kanje hayi so mangilo ngilalela I know sengiyayizwa manje I think omunye umuntu ekumele sithi kumnikeze attention Kid Kapa. Yeah, I know kusamele sithi ufocus akuyena simfaka ku-spotlight. I think umjida lo udope kakhulu ngama-hook. So enye ingoma leyo esekuyiyona mina engizwa kakhulu so emehlweni lapho uyangabe no-Kid Kapa. So hayi le song iyangena egazini but there is a song enoMakwa I think leyo ngoma yarekhoda there was a time la i-hip hop yaseMzansi ifeathurisha khona like basibe rapper kuma-beats eKwaito I think around 2014 or 2015. I think le ngoma maybe yayirekhodiwe lapho because ngiyakhumbula uMakwa beno-Quest nabo babenza I think that was the time uphuma ingudu lapho. So kupossible ukuthi le ngoma nayo maybe beats yakhona yayirekhode ngaleso sikhathi because i-producer uMakwa because siyazi ukuthi uyanga uproducer na but le i-producer uMakwa bafethu isigubhu sayo bafethu ayinzima kakhulu. So leyo ngoma ithini ithathla ishebaba yeah. So mawuthi nje uyayikhumbula la hip hop ayirocka kakhulu ayintombo kakhulu even hook yakhona so ziwu-2 nje ingoma eziyikwaito kahle leyo ithe kuba lesikwaito but ikwaito and then there's uGuluva eno-Questa bafethu ivesi laQuesta-ke lapha bafethu I think uQuesta ubuye ngamandla akhe lapho because kudala samgcina ukuze engomeni I think uno-2 years kugcina ukhipha naye so ukhona nawo unikeze uYoung ivesi eliqine kakhulu lapho. So nayo leyo iGuluva la ishintsha uGuluva na I think nayo also i-remake because ingoma ezwakale ifamily ngathi sike sayizwa before. Then there is a song okuyiyona yenza kakhulu eRadweni right now imbali yami bafethu I think leli side elisoft likaYoung manje saqala ukuyizwa because I know that's one iyahamba-ke and i-rap village yamukela ngezandla ezimhlophe leyo ngoma ngeke ngayizwa nje iku-high rotation kuma-radio station amaningi especially lawa commercial. So I think enye ingoma nje deserve music video very fast uma ukuthi ayishuthiwe already because oYoung bamuva ngenye indlela because bebehamba no-Mega so ama-budget sometimes aba-ahead bashutha nane-music video besarekhoda ingoma as long ma beyuze ukuthi i-hit barekhoda. So I hope leyo ngoma bazoyenzela i-music video because imnandi and abantu abaningi bayayithanda and ikheji kakhulu. So then there's a song kade engayinakile nayo iloku yakhula nakumina i-Gang Gang inoTseho I think ilo oyekade isayine under i-Family Trees before. So that song mangilalela ingikhumbuza ingoma there's a song uYoung akayenza beno-AK lo yiyona kumele clearisha amasampuli yakathi ukubangwa nje kakhulu. Yeah, there's a wedding ku-music video yakhona but ngalikhohlwa igama layo so ikuleyo vibe leyo. So yilezi ngoma lezi I think uthatha ingoma sami yakudala iyisampuli kahle kahle. So nje mawuthi maybe umuntu okhumbula i-AKA or still sasenziwa i-AKA go to that song same vibe. So I think ileyo-ke leyo. So enye into engiphinde ngim-appreciate kakhulu uYanga because mina bengayena umuntu oyifeni yakhe kakhulu because ubehamba nomega. Mina benguthi emnyovesti kakhulu ngalesi sikhathi sale beef lezi sasandisa amakhanda sangiswe i-beef. So nami bengamfocusanga kuyena kakhulu. But kade ngikwazi ukuthi lo mjida lo u-dope producer and kuma-visuals unzima kakhulu because wayeshutha i-music video eRanjozi. So but lokhu ko-music ngiqale ukumnaka later because naye uqale wathi ukuba under i-shadow ka-AK isikhathi esiningi kakhulu. But right now I think even before AK eshona beseqalile eseyimele sephumile kakhulu and manje usazama kakhulu ukuphusha leli side leli Xhosa trap. So I think iyona-ke i-support la kumele simnike khona as abantu abase-Eastern Cape because lo mjida lo uzalelwe eMthatha mos uphile ko-Queenstown like owethu lo. So I think nami se-deserve ukuthi-ke simnikeze attention. So Imvelaphi EP idopho kakhulu. I wish there was more songs because zimnandi kakhulu. Hopefully by the end of this year mhlawumbe uzobe sekhiphe nane-album sithi ukuzwa kakhulu because I think usefomini umjida. So Speaker Nawe nayo le I think another dope album futhi because ayinazo ingoma eningi na ngeke nginike u-10 out of 10. So 8 out of 10 I think engayinikeza yona, but i-production yakhona yo ayikho ingoma elekhaya not even a1. So nje into engiyithanda kakhulu akha abasafocus kakhulu indaba zokuprove ke ba-rapper like because esaqala nako ukuthi no abanye babethu lame esaqala because after leya hood lana, but manje uyambona ufuna ingoma lezi emelodic, ingoma ethandwa abantu, which I think yona into elekhaya hip hop since singenawo ama-hits nje amapiano ebukisa kanje nge-hip hop is because abantu bafuna ulo bezenze umrapper berap into engekho lapho because sifuna ingoma ezimelodic, ingoma ezunderstand abantu. I-reality majority South Africa i-understand like i-real hip hop. So mawuthi ufuna u-accommodate i-market kumele wenze ingoma like ey'kheji. Yabo imbali yami ngaqola even ingane na-4 years I think that song like ikheji. So I think uYanga uyi-blueprint kuma-rappers amaningi especially lawa ama-upcoming because abanye bafuna ukuba hardcore kakhulu but at the same time bafuna ukuba commercial. So bafuna ukuba commercial kumele ube ne-brand eclean njengalo mjida lo, umuvi njengalo mjida and u-connection owade uwutholile ungawulahli because lo mjida bemuva no-AKA but AKA akasekho but mayekade ekhipha ingoma entsha uzoyizwa idlala ko-Gagas FM because bekuyindaba behamba zoba u-2. So I think ama-connections akawafumene from kuba around the AK akawalahlanga. So that's why enye into engimsalutha kakhulu yona because like even yona le EP iphuma mina ngiqala ukuyizwa uGagas FM, that is a radio station from Durban, but because uno-connection like even abantu abamuvayo like abantu abaku-music department like uyabazi because bebe-attend ama-festival o-Beach, Gagas FM Beach Festival bobo 2. So I think u-AK umplake kwizinto eningi kakhulu but umjida ufocus kakhulu. So yeah, shout out to uYanga Imvelaphi EP. Speaker Nawe sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Nawe, Instagram usikhona nakhona Speaker Nawe. So TikTok iyona into esazama ukuyiphusha, TikTok c.speaker.nawe. So yeah, we out.